man, water's up here now. Oh shit. Oh shit. Uh-oh. That's really high. Dana, if you want to try, since it's front wheel drive, I think you probably could move up a little bit more if you want. Yeah. Hey, look at a piece of wood right there. Because, no, just get in there and don't push the gas or anything, just let it auto drive up front. I'll open the front so you don't... No, just don't floor it, don't peel out, just let it creep up to there a little bit more. Yeah, I'll make sure you don't hit the brick wall. She's gonna move her car up a little bit more. This is just getting up there.